Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Performance Cordless Plunge 20 volt from Parkside, the model PPTSA 20LI-A1. Bare unit only, battery and charger are not included, so you need to buy the battery and the charger. Of course, if you are a fan of the Parkside power tools, definitely you will have one battery and charger. Recommended the 8 ampere hours or the 4 ampere hours smart battery. Tool compatible with all batteries in the X20 volt team series, ready to connect, no load rotation speed from 2800 to 5500 RPM, 6 levels plus eco mode, cutting angle -1 to 47 degrees, max cutting depth at 0 degrees 42 mm, at 45 degrees 38 mm, spindle lock, soft grip, accessories included, brushless motor, especially durable, powerful, with low wear and tear. That is very important. Brushless motor are better compared with a brushed, with a 5 years warranty. In comparison with the Parkside Cordless Plunge model PTS20LI-A1, it has up to 10 times longer motor life, up to 22% higher no-load rotation speed, and up to 108% greater cutting depth. Nice! For precise cuts in wood, plastic or light building materials such as plasterboard. Nice all that, so let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And a lovely box, I like that. Black and red box. Parkside Performance, very durable. There is a power tool. Wow, I like it, it is huge. The manual, of course, included. This huge nut. If you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Allen key. Okay. Nothing else at the box. Of course, at this position you can have the one battery, the charger, 8 ampere hours or 4 ampere hours. It is your choice. I prefer the 8 ampere hours. I think here it is for the charger and here for the battery. You can have the second battery if you want. Recommended the 4 ampere hours, that's why only it can fit the 4 ampere hours here. And of course, for the 8 ampere hours you need to give about 70 euros, and for the 4 ampere hours 35 euros. Plus the charger, if you choose to buy the smart charger, it's about 39 euros, or if you choose to buy the regular charger, it is 15 euros. Very thick case, that is very durable. Now let's move on. This box. I think it is the guiding rail. There it is. Now let's see one by one what we have at the tool. Auxiliary handle with another Allen key here. Very nice storage area. The locking lever. At this position it is on, off. You cannot press the on-off button. Of course you need to slide this safety button up to press, but it doesn't work. Now it will work. And you can have it at this position, it will work continuously. Press again, unlock. We have a soft grip here and here, I like it. It is a good looking tool. And again we can see in here this metal. I need to press the on-off button and then it will start to fall down and start cutting the wood. Otherwise it doesn't do anything. And of course here we can install the battery. It is your choice. The 4 ampere hour battery, and it locks. Or you can install the 8 ampere hours battery. It's very tight. Here we have the locking mechanism for the cutting depth scale. It is from 0 to 55 degrees. Just press this and then you can adjust in which position you want. And then pressing, you can see it goes only at 15 degrees. And again press, adjust. And of course you can adjust on the angle from -1 to 45 degrees. Unscrew this knob, unlock and adjust. We can see in this red plastic alignment at the correct position. The same, we have another red here knob, release and that, adjust, let's say 25, tied it both sides, lock, and that was all. Maximum 45 degrees. Now I think it's about time to install the guide rail. Two different pieces. If you want, you can use only the one, if that is suitable for you. That goes here, and then you can just move front with a tool and cut the wood. I will show you later. Soft pad here, so I need to unscrew with this Allen key these 4 screws. In the middle, tied it very well. Perfect. The alignment is perfect. So let's see. If it is not perfect, you can do some adjustments here with these 4 screws. One battery. And there we have the speed control, the smart LED display. There it is, on, Eco LED display. Adjust the speed and Eco. We have the overload warning indicator and of course the charge level indicator. I like this green line here. Starting with the Eco speed. and it stops very fast. I feel from the sound that is rotating this blade that it doesn't have enough power. So let's move on and test this tool. And here, of course, we can install a vacuum for the dust collection. You can remove, of course, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws if you want to replace the disc. Max it is 7,000 per minute the speed. And here we have the locking button. Pressing this locking button, it will lock the disc. Then you can remove the disc and replace it. And we have the parallel guide that goes here. One screw at this side and one at the other. There you have the parallel guide if you want to use this parallel guide and cut the wood. Now the worktop was difficult to cut. We can see it has some burn marks. I can't go faster. Obviously it doesn't have enough power to cut the worktop. For the other woods with less thickness was very easy to cut. The guide rail needs to be more steady at the wood, but overall I can say it's performing very well. You will have good results. The cost is 120 euros without battery and charger. So if you don't have battery and charger, you will have a higher cost, more or less about 200 euros. It depends if you choose the 4 ampere hours or the 8 ampere hours. Thank you for watching. I hope my video was very helpful and decide if you want to buy or not this power tool. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.